Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, my dear students, grade 6. Today, inshallah, we are going to study an English grammar lesson and we will learn about question tags. At the first, we want to know what are question tags. They are short questions placed at the end of a statement. They are short questions placed at the end of a statement. For example, here, Ali is a doctor, isn't he? Ali is a doctor. Here is a statement. The first part here, Ali is a doctor. The first part is a statement. Here we have a comma after a statement. And the second part here, it's a question tag. Isn't he? Now we will learn why do we use the question tags. We use them when we are not sure of something or when we ask for confirmation. And we have two examples here. The first one, you study your lessons, don't you? You study your lessons, don't you? Don't you here means, am I right? Do you agree with me? The second example, they will travel tomorrow. Won't they? Won't they here means, do you agree? Or am I right? Excellent. Now we will learn question tags form. Question tags are formed with an auxiliary verb plus a personal pronoun. We have two important notes here. The first one, if the statement is positive, the question tag is negative. If the statement is positive, the question tag is negative. On the other hand, number two, if the statement is negative, the question tag is positive. Here we have two examples. Number one, Salim doesn't like pizza. Salim doesn't like pizza. Here it's a statement. Here, statement positive or negative? Excellent, negative. Doesn't here is negative. So, question tag must be positive. Now we will learn the form of question tag. Does he? Does is an auxiliary verb and he a personal pronoun. Does he? As we mentioned before, above here, auxiliary verb plus personal pronoun. Here, does is an auxiliary verb and he is a personal pronoun. The second example here, Salim likes pizza, doesn't he? Salim likes pizza, doesn't he? Here a statement is positive. So, question tag must be negative. Excellent, guys. Doesn't he? Doesn't, it's an auxiliary verb. He is a personal pronoun. Why we chose he here for a personal pronoun? Because here is Salim. We can replace Salim with a personal pronoun he. Salim will be replaced by he. Excellent, guys. Now we will learn some auxiliary verbs. We have two kinds, primary auxiliary and models. Primary auxiliary, three parts. Verb to be in the present and in the past. Am, is, are, was, were. Am, is, are, was, were. Verb to do, does, do, did. Does, do, did. Verb to have, has, have, had. These are primary auxiliary verbs. Models here, can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must. Now we will have more examples here about question tag. Here we have a table. It consists of 3 columns. On the left, verb tense. They are tenses. In the middle and on the right, here, in the middle and on the right, we have examples. The first one, in the present, verb to be. Verb to be in the present. Here, she is American. She is American. Isn't he? Here, question tag here. Isn't she? She is American. Isn't she? Isn't she here is a question tag. Isn't is an auxiliary verb, and she here it's a personal pronoun. Excellent. And we have here 2 circles, green and red. Green here it means that sentence is positive, and here tag for red one, for red circle, tag here is negative. Question tag is negative. Excellent. On the right, she isn't American. She isn't American. Is she? Here she isn't. It's negative sentence. Question tag must be positive. Is she? We can't say isn't she because here is isn't negative. We must put here positive question tag. Excellent. Number 2, present simple tense. You study English, don't you? You study English, don't you? Here we don't have an auxiliary verb, but in the present we can put do or does in the present. Here you comes with do. You doesn't come with does. Does comes with she, he, it, and you, we, they, and I come with do. Excellent. Here we put don't you. Here is positive. Question tag is negative. Excellent. On the right side, you don't study English, do you? You don't study English, do you? The third example, past simple tense. You were at home. You were at home, weren't you? Here we have a positive sentence. Question tag must be negative. Weren't you? Weren't, it's an auxiliary verb, and you, personal pronoun. On the right, you weren't at home. Were you? You weren't at home. Were you? Excellent. The next, past continuous tense. Tom was watching TV. Wasn't he? Tom was watching TV. Wasn't he? Here, wasn't is an auxiliary verb, and he as a personal pronoun. On the right, Tom wasn't watching TV. Was he? The following sentences in the present perfect tense. He has written 5 letters. He has written 5 letters. Hasn't he? Hasn't, it's an auxiliary verb plus here pronoun, personal pronoun, it's he. He is a personal pronoun. On the right, he hasn't written 5 letters. Has he? He hasn't written 5 letters. Has he? The following tense. Past perfect tense. You had lunch. You had lunch. Hadn't you? Hadn't here, an auxiliary verb plus personal pronoun here is you. Excellent. On the right. You hadn't had lunch. You hadn't had lunch. Had you? The following tense in the future. Will. He will read this book. He will read this book. Won't he? Here, won't, an auxiliary verb plus personal pronoun he. On the right, he won't read this book. Will he? He won't read this book. Will he? The last tense, modal verbs. Modal verbs. Here, he can read this book. He can read this book. Can't he? Can't is an auxiliary verb. It's a modal. Plus he is a personal pronoun. On the right, he can't read this book. Can he? He can't read this book. Can he? Now I think it's very clear. It's clear now. Now we will do an activity here in the class book, page 90. Unit 9, the graduation. Lesson 1. Listen and complete. Use the tags in the boxes. We have here these boxes under the pictures. We will choose from them and complete here the spaces. Please listen to me and just try to complete this sentence or this bubbles. We have here 8 bubbles. Now I will talk for you. Please listen, guys, to me. The first one, you made the cakes. Didn't you? You made the cakes, didn't you? It's already answered. It's already answered. Number 2, the room looks nice. The room looks nice. Doesn't it? Number 3, there is a lot of to do. There is a lot to do. Here, there is a lot to do here. Isn't there? Number 4, it was a great year. It was a great year. Wasn't it? Number 5, we will have fun. We will have fun. Won't we? Number 6, the flowers have arrived. The flowers have arrived. Haven't they? Number 7, we can buy some more balloons. We can buy some more balloons. Can't we? The last one, number 8, graduation day is going to be fun. Isn't it? Now I have finished. I have finished, guys. Now we will check our answers. Number 2, the room looks nice. Doesn't it? We choose doesn't it. Where is doesn't it? Here. Excellent. Doesn't it? Number 3, there is a lot to do here. There is a lot to do here. Isn't there? Isn't there? Excellent. Here. We will choose this box. Isn't here? Excellent. Number 4, it was a great year. It was a great year. Wasn't it? Where is wasn't it? Here. Excellent. Here. Wasn't it? Number 5, we will have fun. We will have fun. Won't we? won't we? Where is won't we? Excellent, guys. Won't we? Here, won't we? Number 6. The flowers have arrived. The flowers have arrived. Haven't they? Here. Excellent. Haven't they? We will choose haven't they, this box. Number 7. We can buy some more balloons. We can buy some more balloons. Can't we? Where is can't we here, guys? Excellent. Can't we? Number 8. Graduation day is going to be fun. Graduation day is going to be fun. Isn't it? Where is isn't it? Here. Excellent. This box. We will choose this box. Thank you guys for listening, and see you next online video. Best wishes for you. Thank you guys. Bye bye.